Thank you very much for all coming, and I am very humbled to be sharing a stage with our great speaker, Nancy Pelosi, who is doing such a great job representing us here in San Francisco, but everybody across the United States as we are trying to reform our health care policies. We desperately, desperately need it to make sure that nobody gets kicked off of health insurance for a pre-existing condition. And hepatitis B is a pre-existing condition. I was born with it. That is the normal way for most carriers to contract hepatitis B is through mother-child transmission. But hepatitis B is also 100 times more contagious than HIV/AIDS. So it is important that we get out there and ensure that everybody gets tested and screened and vaccinated if you don't have it. And if you do, there is medication where you can get treated. A little more than 2 years ago, we did a press conference here in Chinatown, Dr. Sam So, Ted Fang, and I, and we talked about the statistics and our goal of eradicating hepatitis B worldwide. And little did we know that we would be here today with all of these great advocates, Congresswoman Nancy Pelosi, Congresswoman Jackie Spear, Congressman Mike Honda, who could not be here today, Senator Mark Leno, Supervisor Carmen Chu, Supervisor David Chu, School Board Member President Kim Sri Mathis, and all the other folks who are now here on board trying to spread the message that we can eradicate hepatitis B, just like smallpox. But we have to do it here at home. The Bay Area has the highest rate of liver cancer, and hepatitis B is the #1 cause of liver cancer. And so our goal was to try to get everyone screened and tested here in San Francisco, but we had no money, just a goal. And 2.5 later, all of our community partners, the public and private hospitals, the doctors, the insurance companies, the pharmaceutical companies, the nonprofit organizations, and the community have gotten together to ensure that everyone can get screened, tested, and treated here in San Francisco. It is a model. It is being replicated in San Mateo, in San Jose, in Orange County, and Los Angeles. And we believe that we are on the way to a movement. And again, I would just like to thank all the leaders here for helping to spread the word. It is treatable. It is preventable. We can eradicate it. We just need everybody's help. So thank you all in this fight.